$5,000 fashion campaign, professional model, full crew. Except there was no model, no location, no crew. Just this, a photo of a shirt on a hanger turned into all of that.
We speak to so many fashion brand owners who tell us the exact same heartbreaking story. Incredible designs, but completely stuck because they simply cannot afford the thousands of dollars it costs for professional models, studios, and photographers. The shoots are expensive, the logistics are exhausting, and by the time the edited photos come back, the season has almost changed. Today, that entire barrier is officially gone, and Hautech AI is the reason why. Let's look at how this platform lets small businesses create stunning, high-end editorial campaigns from a simple photo on a hanger. The Hautech AI interface is streamlined for efficiency. From the Home or Community tabs, you can see recent creations, but the magic happens when you hit the Create button. To start, you select the Photo option for high-precision model rendering. The first step is uploading your apparel image. Hautech AI is highly versatile, working with flat lays, mannequin shots, or even existing on-model images. However, quality control is key here. For the best results, you need to ensure your input image clearly shows the garment. The platform warns against distracting elements like price tags, crumpled fabric, or unclear clothing shapes. If the AI sees these, it might interpret them as part of the design, which can lead to inaccuracies. Once your clean image is uploaded, the AI processes and prepares it to ensure the system fully understands the texture and fit, selecting models and poses. Next, you move to the model reference step. Here, you aren't just picking a static face, you're selecting a model type. You can filter by gender and age, ranging from toddlers and teens to adults and seniors. The AI then generates a unique photorealistic human based on that style, ensuring your brand has a consistent yet diverse look. Once your model is chosen, it's time to select a pose. This determines the orientation and vibe of the final image. You can also adjust the aspect ratio in the bottom left corner, choosing between 3.4, 7:10, or 1.1. The pose library intelligently updates based on your selected ratio, and if you're showcasing the back of a garment, you can specifically select back view poses to match. Backgrounds and custom prompts. For the setting, you can choose from a variety of preset reference backgrounds, including professional studios, city streets, lush parks, or even deserts. These presets serve as a stylistic guide for the AI to build upon. If you need more specific control, the free input section is where Hautech AI truly shines. You can add text prompts to include additional styling elements, like asking the AI to put the model in a white mini skirt and a sun hat. For advanced users, you can unselect the presets and use the free input section to describe the model's appearance, the background lighting, and even camera settings like lens type or depth of field. This allows you to create cinematic, highly customized fashion assets that look like they were shot by a pro. Refining end results. Before you generate, you can use the Edit Prompt button to see the final string the AI will use. This combines your apparel image, pose, model type, and text descriptions into one cohesive instruction. This is a vital step for tweaking fit or clothing length, especially when working with flat lay images. The results are impressively realistic. You can compare images generated with preset parameters against those created with fully custom prompts. Both approaches offer incredible flexibility depending on how much creative control you need. High-resolution video generation beyond static images. Hautech AI allows you to bring your models to life. By selecting a generated image and clicking Create Video, you can apply motion presets like Zoom In, Runway Walk, or Side Turn. The app renders these into high-quality clips, perfect for social media or ad campaigns, turning a single product photo into a multimedia marketing kit in minutes. Hautech AI gives you flexible plans that grow with your brand. Start plan just $9 per month, perfect for beginners. 300 fast generations, unlimited slow and full commercial use. Pro plan $149 per month, unlimited fast generations plus 4K image upscale. Best for growing brands. Business plan $649 per month, 10 parallel generations for faster workflows. Enterprise plan unlimited parallel generations, API access, and advanced product handling. And the best part? You can try it for free. Link in the description. Overall, Hautech AI is a total game changer for the fashion industry. It effectively removes the massive financial and logistical hurdles of traditional photography. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to SaaS Trac for more. Don't forget to follow us on all our socials, Instagram, X, Facebook, and LinkedIn. To stay updated,